Vertiv joins the NVIDIA Partner Network. HARMAN Professional Solutions opens Experience Center in Bangalore. RDP, pioneering affordable computing, igniting India's electronics manufacturing ambitions, and aiming for global recognition by 2030. Hikvision India introduces the latest NVR 5.0 to revolutionize the product experience. TPV Technology appoints Redington Limited as its distribution partner for India. Optoma Corporation appoints Dhanan Chezhian.V as its regional manager sales for the South India region. AMD software Adrenalin Edition 2 4.3.1 supports Dragon's Dogma 2 and more. Checkpoint to set new standard for securing AI cloud infrastructure at scale with NVIDIA. BD Soft and Cyral collaborate to safeguard cloud data in Indian markets. Fortinet recognized as a leader in the 2024 Gartner Magic Quadrant. Please visit www.ncnonline.net to read full reports.